Concrete pavers are one of the most popular surfaces we seal. And once you know what finish you're going for, well, the product decision is straightforward. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to choose. Hey there, I'm Ron with Foundation Armor. Let me walk you through it. The first question is, what do you want the surface to look like after sealing? That answer points to the right product. To protect the pavers without changing how they look, a penetrating silane siloxane is the right category. Our SX5000 and SX5000WB soak into the surface, form a hydrophobic barrier in the pores, and leave the pavers looking exactly the same. There's no film, there's no color change, and penetrating sealers have superior longevity compared to surface coatings. So if long-term, low-maintenance protection is your priority, this category is hard to beat. Now, if you want a wet look but without the surface film, that's where our WL550 comes in. It's a penetrating matte enhancer. It darkens and protects without leaving a visible coating on top. Now, one thing worth knowing, because pavers are porous, the level of color enhancement our WL550 produces can vary from surface to surface. So, test a small area first before committing to the full application. Now let's say you want a gloss finish and the stain protection a surface coating provides. That's our acrylic sealers. Now, before you choose between them, here's something about pavers that is worth understanding. Pavers are significantly more porous than standard concrete, and because of that, a sealer won't build the same gloss level on a paver as it would on a driveway slab. A low gloss sealer may not show a visible sheen at all, while a high gloss sealer may produce only a mild finish. It's just how porous surfaces absorb coatings. Now with acrylics, our AR350 and AR500 tend to produce the most consistent wet look and gloss finish on porous pavers. If you're in a state where the 350 VOC version is available, those are the ones we'd point you toward for this surface. Then there's our AX25, which is another acrylic, for high gloss with strong water repellency built in. It's a good fit if your pavers are around a pool or exposed to a lot of water. Now, if you still want a gloss finish, but with a low odor and soap and water cleanup, our WB15 and WB25 are both solid options. Our WB15 gives you low gloss, while our WB25 gives you high gloss. Now, I just want to mention this one more time. The same porosity note applies. Expect a more modest sheen on pavers than you'd get on standard concrete, but the protection is solid either way. Oh, one quick thing to confirm before you order or install. How are your pavers installed? If they're sitting over an existing concrete slab, only a breathable, penetrating water repellent should be used, like our SX5000 or SX5000WB. Surface coatings should never be applied in this situation, because moisture gets trapped between the slab and the paver, and a penetrating sealer lets that moisture breathe through the way it needs to. One more thing specific to pavers. Give them at least 48 hours to dry after cleaning before sealing, especially in cooler temperatures. You see, pavers hold onto moisture longer than most surfaces. Even when everything looks and feels dry, moisture can still be sitting in the pores. And if your pavers are newly installed, check with the manufacturer on the recommended wait time before the first seal. That timeline varies by product. Once those boxes are checked, you're in good shape. Pick the finish, confirm your installation, and you're ready to go. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button for more concrete sealing tips and product breakdowns. I'm Ron with Foundation Armor. Thanks for watching.